potato harvest.
All right, are we gonna harvest all the rest of the potatoes?
Yep. It's what, November?
Nope.
Yeah.
December.
Oh shoot. It's December. Okay. Yeah, we're gonna harvest our potatoes that have been here since July.
I'm pretty sure July.
July. Okay.
These were the potatoes that we bought. Go ahead, I'll turn the camera around.
When?
These are the potatoes that we bought from Home Depot for $2 a bag. We bought 4 bags altogether, 2 different kinds. And we've harvested that half closest to Jason. We harvested some in bags.
Yep.
So yeah, get digging. See if you can.
These are the ones that we just tried putting grass clippings around, right? These ones are grass clippings? Yeah, these ones are grass clippings.
Gonna have to look at the film.
Kind of held it up. And this ground was like cement when we put them in here, so we weren't expecting much. We aren't expecting much. But the last one was pretty decent. So
it was exciting.
It was good. And if it's getting a little bit dark, it's because it's 3:10 right now in Victoria. 3:10, and it's getting dark.
It's 3:20.
It's 3:20. So it's 3:20. It's basically dark. I love winter. Love it. Okay.
Okay.
That goes in the compost. And here we go. Soil's definitely looser. Oh, and forgot, I got these for $2.99. They were in the bin at the store. I mean, they're ladies' gloves. That's okay, they fit. Very nice. And the guys' ones were $9.99, and they didn't even have nice little flowers on them. There you go.
Lame.
Okay.
Okay.
Start this way and go up that way?
Sure.
Okay.
I saw one already.
No.
Yeah.
No. So these would be our version of Christmas potatoes, I guess, right? This would be the last harvest of the year.
Oh my gosh, we should just leave them in the ground. Look at that.
Yeah, they're nice, firm.
Okay. Why are we digging them up? Because we're worried that bugs are going to eat them or that they'll get rotten if we just leave them in the ground?
No, because we're hungry and we want something for dinner tonight. Right?
Right.
Oh. I know, we could leave some in the ground because there are tons in here.
I mean, we could. What do we have so far? Oh,
that's a couple pounds, 3 pounds.
Why don't we just stop?
Okay.
And then we can actually come out and do a Christmas potato harvest.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Okay.
No,
Well, I don't think there's anything on that side, is there?
I think there might be.
I think next year we're gonna focus on marking things down a little bit. You know, like Terry King style.
Okay.
Have things like marked out would be good. But I kind of like this too. It's kind of more fun. You just kind of dig, find worms. Sometimes you find food. We'll just cover that up. Should I mark where we stopped?
Well, you can kind of tell, can't you?
Yeah, but in a couple of weeks we're not going to be able to tell, right?
Well, don't we have a video evidence now?
I'll put this beautiful fern right here, and we can re-look at the video too. So there we go. That's a pretty good harvest right there to go along.
Dang.
With our broccoli. That's a pretty nice head of broccoli. Huh?
That's not bad.
Twice as big as my brain. Wow. Well, maybe 3 times. Anyways, so yeah, we got broccoli and we got potatoes.
Let's go make some dinner.
Quick, before it's dark at 3:30.
Good job, honey.
All right. Good job.
Okay, so these potatoes are what we harvested from 2 plants today, right? 2 plants.
Yep.
And they, we left the rest for Christmas. We're going to slice these up and roast them in the oven. And we're also going to roast the broccoli. Oh yeah, we can do that at the same time. Well done. That's not all the broccoli.
Wow.
I know.
Okay.
And then we're gonna have some creamy Dijon French style chicken. Okay.